The Vivo S50 Pro Mini is come as the Vivo X300 FE in the global markets, including India. Vivo X300 FE will feature a horizontal camera module similar to the iPhone Air. Vivo X300 FE sport a 6.31-inch flat AMOLED display, with a 1.5K resolution and an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and weighs 192 grams. Vivo X300 FE is fitted with a triple camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel secondary camera and an 8-megapixel lens. A 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Powering the X300 FE is the all-new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 SM8845, with a peak clock speed of 3.8 GHz, using LPDDR5 XRAM and UFS 4.1 storage. The Vivo X300 FE will likely pack a massive silicon carbon battery, anywhere between 6,500 mAh with 90W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.